Hello and welcome to Learn British English with Deacon Rigo. In today's mini lesson, we will practice 10 useful English words from our Sunday story. This too shall pass. I will say each word and then I want you to repeat after me. We will practice the pronunciation, learn the meaning, and see how the word is used in a sentence. Are you ready? Let's begin. Word number 1. Influence. Repeat after me. Influence. Once more. Meaning, the power to affect people or decisions. Example: the teacher has a strong influence on students. Good friends can influence your decisions. Number 2, authority. Repeat after me. Authority. Again. Meaning, the power to give orders or make decisions. Example: the king had complete authority. Teachers have authority in the classroom. Number 3, minister. Repeat after me. Minister. And again. Meaning, an important advisor to a ruler or government. Example: the king listened to his ministers. The minister gave advice. Number 4, generous. Repeat after me. Generous. And again. Meaning, willing to give or share. Example: the king was generous to the poor. She is a generous person. Number 5, impatient. Repeat after me. Impatient. And again. Meaning, not willing to wait calmly. Example: the king became impatient. Children often become impatient. Number 6, scholar. Repeat after me. Scholar. And again. Meaning, a person who studies and has deep knowledge. Example: a scholar arrived at the palace. The scholar gave wise advice. Number 7, engraved. Repeat after me. Engraved. And again. Carved into metal or stone. Example: the words were engraved on the ring. The name was engraved on the medal. Number 8, temporary. Repeat after me. Temporary. And again. Meaning, something that does not last forever. Example: the problem is temporary. The job is temporary. Number 9, perspective. Repeat after me. Perspective. And again. Meaning, a way of understanding or seeing something. Example: the king gained a new perspective. Travel gives people perspective. Last word, number 10, balance. Repeat after me. Balance. and again. Meaning, a state of calm and stability. Example, good thinking creates balance. Meditation helps people find balance. Excellent! Today you learned 10 useful English words. Try to use these words in your own sentences. Write one sentence in the comments. And if you want to improve your British English vocabulary and pronunciation, subscribe to Learn British English with Deacon Rigo. See you in the next lesson.